Hello everyone, welcome to this interview of Success Stories with MV Priyank. Today we have Manada Mohan from Mumbai, who is a graphologist, and she has successfully transformed all aspects of life and still improving. Some of the special growth is she has grown her business multifold. She manifested 30 lakh rupees which was stuck, that got released with the healing techniques. Relationship transformed, and now she's able to help with the help of sound healing to hundreds of COVID patients to recover faster. Also, there was anxiety before in communication that got released, and 5 years old migraine got healed. Many things. So first of all, thank you very much, Manada, for joining this interview.
Thank you
So
so
over to you. Just share a little bit about yourself. What do you do? How was your life before the sound healing and our online courses? And how is it right now?
Yeah, thank you so much, Priya, for giving me an opportunity to share my views and share my experiences. Before boot camp, as I always say, ki 30th June 2019 was the changing turning point in my life when I attended your free session of sound healing at Mumbai, and life is not the same after that. And those 3 hours 3 hours session, introductory session, literally changed my life to 180-degree, and I
Mhm.
decided to go for boot camp.
Right.
And after boot camp I have never looked back, because slowly all those stairs, all those पायदान बोलते हैं इसे, कि
Mhm.
एक एक पायदान ऑटोमेटिक सामने ही आते आते चला गया, because so many negative energies were there and so many things got released.
Right.
And I, as I have experienced, you have being a sound healer, our mentor, of course I'm grateful to you, but
Mhm.
you have always taught us कि it works on a micro level. But I have experienced that on micro level, कि I have seen कि each and every cell in my body has released all those negativity, those unwanted energies from my space. I have experienced that.
Right.
And here I would like to mention you about that heel pain. I used to complain, means it was for 5 6 months when I
Mhm.
had attended your retreat outside Mumbai. And there it was paining, and if you remember, I was crying there. And
Right.
after it was miraculously, I had not done anything, but miraculously got healed.
Awesome.
And then you have taught us about gratitude.
Mhm.
That's my gratitude to you for that, because gratitude has a immense tremendous powers, and which is really helping me a lot. When through pandemic everybody was crying, yeah, कि बिजनेस नहीं है, ये नहीं है, वो
Mhm.
नहीं चल रहा है, फैमिली के साथ रिलेशन अच्छे नहीं है, बट miraculously I'm really getting goosebumps. I was getting more and more opportunities. How I can be better and better and better.
Good.
And being a handwriting coach, that's what I would like to mention here. Being a handwriting coach, all those physical sessions, those stopped
Right.
because of this COVID.
Right.
Okay, social distancing and all. But universe gave me an opportunity to start with online session,
Right.
and really you will not believe it. And people who are listening to me, I now this has become a my this is the only workstation for me, workplace for me. Yeah. Yeah. So earlier I used to go out, but here now I can, because of this, I trusted the power of gratitude,
You
sound,
got more busier now.
more business, and more business, and I healed myself. I'm healing other people online, and I'm recording all those sounds whichever you have, you have taught us. I have those sound healing balls, singing balls. With that I keep on making my own patterns, customized patterns, and I
Mhm.
can sense the vibrations of the people who are attending my sessions in those COVID patients के लिए जो करती हूँ उसमें I can sense their vibrations. So
Right.
accordingly I give the strokes.
Very good.
So these are all, universe is bestowing
For
all
those
those
who are
blessings.
watching, we have started an initiative for free sound healing for COVID patients, and We had few set of volunteers who are doing every single day. Manada is one of them who is taking out her special time and doing the healing for COVID patients, and they are recovering very well. If you know someone, that COVID group link we'll be sharing in the description below. Please pass that so that they can heal. Yes, please. So, how is the experiences when you're doing the healing for those participants? How are they feeling? What kind of responses you are getting?
I let me tell you, because of those sessions, even I have healed myself. I have healed my anxiety,
Right.
and I can, heal better and better. Way I keep on, every Tuesday I take those sessions. So every Tuesday, even I am also looking forward. Ki, yes, by this time I have to be in this zone and I have
Right.
to heal people.
Right.
And you won't believe it, literally loving it, loving it.
Beautiful. Good.
And when you love anything, Priyanka, it's like, it's really spontaneous ho jata hai. Means you are more, you like to give more. You like to
Yes,
give, you're
absolutely.
more spontaneous, more creative to give.
Absolutely. Great. So, would you like to mention about the 30 lakh property stuck and how it got released?
Oh,
What happened?
yeah. See, there are lots and lots experiences, so even I
Okay.
tend to forget. Yeah, because those 30 lakhs were blocked before, another resort, outside resort, outstation resort we had. And I had come there with that intention, ki how I can release that, how I can, because we sold the property, but those 30 lakhs were stuck.
Okay.
And I was under tension. But after the moment moment I got back, I came on 1st of March, and on 3rd of March, those 30 lakhs were credited in my account. So I was so
Beautiful.
happy. Yes, this thing was, that was the blockage, with something was blocking, so it got
Right.
released. So
Beautiful.
again, I will repeat, it works on your micro level.
About your 5 years old migraine, what all did you try? How much uh, difference you got, and how much difference now you got after joining the systems?
Yeah. Because I started in 2014, 15. Yeah, and I was taking so many medicines. In spite of being meditator, I used to get all those things on a surface level पे सब कुछ ठीक हो जाता था.
जी.
But this is like, वो जड़ से निकलना जो होता है, वो अभी मैं महसूस कर रही हूँ. And through our cleansing programs and so many online programs with you, which I am attending regularly, uh, 0.0001% is the migraine, I can say.
Very good. So to say, Manada is part of our advanced programs, Abundance Council and all, to clear abundance blocks. So after going through the abundance blocks clearing process, what internal and outside transformation do you observe?
Yes, here I would like to mention that earlier I used to get more anxious about everything, though I have to present any lecture, though I have to do anything backstage, on stage, whatever, anxiety issues were there. So I used to somehow or the other, I used to cover myself.
Mm-hmm.
But nothing was spontaneous, and that was pinching me, Priyank. That was literally pinching me.
Mm.
But what I can observe, when you do something, with your wholeheartedly, when you do something for the people, to the society, universe gives you back.
Right.
Okay,
Right.
so
Yes.
I that intentions were earlier were there, but because of this sound healing, it got booster. That, and everything is so spontaneous. See, now I don't feel if I'm talking in front of one person, also I'm talking in front of thousand people, crowd of thousand. I'm the same person. Yes,
Beautiful.
I get excited to share my experiences. So
Beautiful.
I'm like this. So I'm enjoying that.
So how was your relationships within your family and other people before the our systems and after the systems?
Yeah, earlier it used to get very much strain because stressful relationship were there with my spouse, sometimes with the kid, my parents, because my parents are senior citizens and they are living with me now. Being only daughter, I have to take care of them.
Right.
So, even though they are your parents, there are some, there was no coherence.
Yes.
But with this, there is a coherence, sound healing courses and online courses. Because of that, I find that coherence and very smooth functioning. And whatever I want to convey, I can convey, because there was a problem in me I could not convey.
Okay. Yeah.
So how can I make people understand? So
Your
that was my
self-expression
problem.
opened up. Yeah.
Sir, yeah. So I started expressing myself to the fullest, and I got the results also like this. And there is a proper synchronization. See, every lady or every man is whole, but when you get married, so you have to complete other person also. Though
Yes.
somewhere or the other, because of those too much of expectations, it was lacking. So I learned very important point, Priyank, and whoever are listening to me now, let go. I have learned from you. Let go, let
And
go, let
forgiveness.
go. And forgiveness, of course. When you forgive, when you love yourself, when you love people around you, you
Mhm.
forgive easily. And with the gratitude, you can achieve any damn thing. What I have learned,
Yes.
because you have taught me that way. Ki, yes, the power in gratitude. Write down all those 300 statements, and that exercise was tremendous, tremendous. Sorry, I choked because of I'm
Excitement, I
over
understand.
excited.
You want to have sip of water, please.
Yeah, thank you so
I'll
much.
also have.
So when you have so many things to express,
Yeah.
and all these things are coming from my heart, and with that gratitude, because life is not the same.
So you've been to many courses and system being graphologist and you learn crystal healing, meditations and all. You've been to other courses and systems with many teachers. What is the difference do you see in other systems and the current system you are going through right now in our online courses and all the systems?
uh, in one word, discipline.
Okay.
Disciplines. And discipline means you are not disciplining, means you are teaching a self discipline. If
Mhm.
you do it, I have my, if you do it, you are going to get results. If you do it, so it is up to me how, agar abundance hai, to how big vessel I'm carrying, and I'm taking that in me,
Mhm.
grasping that in me.
Yes.
So with the discipline, with self discipline, you can achieve any damn thing, because self discipline, जो एनर्जी है आपकी वो पूरी सिंक्रोनाइज कर देता है, एंड सिनर्जी आ जाती है.
बिल्कुल. So continuous hand holding and action taking की वजह से पूरा डिसिप्लिन में आ गया.
Yes, yes, yes. Miss your online sessions and your whatever I'm learning now, energy medicines. So it's like practice day. This miss, I cannot go ahead also. Miss, I don't feel like. See, I have an opportunity. I have that liberty, not opportunity, but liberty. But I don't feel like. Why? Because mentor has told me to do
Yes.
practice. I have to practice.
Thank you. That's so nice
That
of you.
comes from within, Priyank. That comes.
Yes.
That is why you are successful. No,
Okay.
let me tell you, that is why you're successful. Because people have started finding themselves, and they started following self-discipline.
Right, right, absolutely. So, any suggestions or recommendation would you like to give to the viewers? What would you convey to them? Anything you would like to mention?
One thing is that have faith in this system, faith, because you will not see the results. So you will see all those testimonial, but you will have, if you have faith in Priyank, you will achieve any damn thing.
Not faith in me, maybe faith in yourself more.
See, because why I'm saying this, कोई चापलूसी नहीं कर रही हूँ, but you have showed me that way.
Right.
Though I was little bit, lazy in doing that, but in प्यार से समझाया है, और वो प्यार से समझाने वाला कोई ना कोई होता है.
जी.
But I'm really thanking universe that I took that decision to attend your 30th June free session, and life is not the same.
Awesome, awesome. Thank you. So thank you, Manada, very much for sharing your experience. And
Thank
Manada
you.
is a very good, excellent graphologist practitioner. If anyone would like to reach, please reach her out. Manada, how can people reach you out? Any
Through my
credentials?
website, through my
So what's your
I can
website?
share. Sorry.
What's your website name?
www.manadamohan.com. Every
Okay.
details are there, so
So
they
all
can.
the credential details we will be sharing in the description below. So if you want any help in graphology, please reach out to her. So thank you very much everyone for watching till this point, and thank you Manada for sharing. It's been a great journey and looking forward to hear more success stories from you. So those who are watching, if you would like to have the personal transformation in your health, financial relationships, I do a short master classes, short workshops, and I would highly recommend, please do participate and go through the process, experience yourself, take your life to a very next level. Link in the description below. Take action. See you live sometime soon. Take care.
Thank you.